On this video today, I'm going to show you an extremely cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that it requires low investment. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. I'll show you the best offer that you can promote. I will also be showing you the traffic source in a highly effective campaign format that you can select that will get many people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join Max Bounty, Beginners2024, you can join Warrior Plus or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, we are using Market Health. So let me log out to show you how the platform looks like. This is a new platform, so let me log out to show you how the platform looks like so that you can search and find it. You can see this is how the platform looks like. Market Health. Just search for markethealth.com. Once you search for it, you can create your free accounts. On Market Health, they have a lot of different health products that you can promote to make money from home. Most of the offers, the commission rate is high, so you can join this website and then promote those offers. Market Health is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for Market Health and then create your affiliate account so that you can promote offers on this platform. To create an account, just click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you have to enter your details so that you can get access to a free account. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how you can use this platform to make money. So let me sign in for you to see. So let's say login. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. You can see right here, they are showing you their top performing offers. You can see our top best selling offers. So if you want that, you can click on it and then get offers to promote. You can see these are categories of offers that you can promote. You can see all of them are based on health. As a school, you can see a lot of different categories of health products that you can promote on this platform. There are many of them. As a school, you can see a lot of different categories. So now what you have to do is that you have to select a category so that you can find an offer to promote. In this case, we are going to be promoting weight loss offers. If you want teeth whitening products, you can also click on it, or any of them that you want, you can click on it and then find a product to promote. In this case, we are going to be promoting a product under the weight loss category, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are weight loss products that you can promote to earn money from home. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them that you can promote. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then promote it. But before you promote it, you have to consider the commission rate. You can see some of them are CPA offers. Some of them you are going to be earning a percentage per sale. For example, this product you are going to be earning $30 per every sale that you get. It is a CPA offer, so your potential customers, they need to enter their credit card details. Once they enter the details and take a specific action, you are going to be paid $30. You can see the next one, you are going to be earning a percentage of the price of the product, so you are going to be earning 50%. Anytime you get a sale, you are going to be earning 50% of the price of the product. The next one, you are going to be earning $45 per every action that your potential customer take. You can see it. The next one is also a CPA offer. You can see $45. That is the amount that you are going to earn. The next one, $50. The next one, $75. That is the amount that you are going to earn. You can see when you scroll down, the next one is also $50. The next one, you're going to be earning 60% of the price of the product when you get a sale. You can see many others. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the best that you want. You can select any of them that you select. If you use the right method to promote it, you are going to be making a sale. So what matters most is the traffic source, how you can drive traffic to the product so that you can get sales. So it does not matter the commission rate. The most important thing is how to get the best quality traffic to the product so that you can get people to buy it. So just select any of them that you want. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this offer, Ketosis Advanced CPA. That is the offer that I'm going to be promoting. To promote the offer, just click on this blue button. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see it right here. So you have to drive traffic to this link so that you can get people to purchase the product, and you are going to be paid $75 per every sale that you get. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to drive quality traffic to this link so that you can get people to purchase the product through your affiliate link, and you are going to be paid $75 per every sale that you get. If you want to shorten your link, you can click right here, shorten URL. Once you click on it, it has been shortened. So it is now a nice link. There are a lot of different customization that you can make. You can see a lot of them, but in this case we are not going to do anything, so just leave it. Once that is done, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the expiring date. You have to check the expiring date of the offer before you promote it. You can see this one is going to expire on 31st December 2038, so that is a long time. You still have 5,500 days to promote the product. So if you are promoting this product, you have the time to build an audience so that you can be making consistent commission selling the product. The expiring date is very fast. Some of the products, they will expire in 1 month time, some of them will expire in 2 months time. So if you are promoting those products, you can build an audience for it. But this one, you still have a long time to build an audience so that you can be making consistent sales. You can see this is your payout. You can see it right here. When you scroll down, you see details of the product. You can see this is the landing page of the product. Let me scroll down. You can see right here, this is a brief description of the product. If you want to preview the whole landing page, just click on preview landing page so that you can see full details on the landing page. You can see right here, this is the landing page. So when you scroll down, you can see every detail that you need to know about the product. As I scroll, you can see these are the details. So make sure you take time and read the product details. Once you read the details, you can begin to promote it. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different details about the product. You can see everything in the landing page. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different things in the landing page. As I scroll, you can see. Now, once you are able to get some information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin driving traffic to your affiliate link. So you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to buy the product through your affiliate link. You can use free traffic source or you can use paid traffic source. It does not matter. Any of the traffic source that you want, you can use. But in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you an extremely cheap traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. The traffic source that we're going to be using is Taclo.co. The cost per click on this website is extremely low. The best part is that they have different ad formats that you can select. You can see they have push notification, in-page push, direct clicks, pop under, banners. Any of the ad formats that you want, you can select it and then get people to click on your affiliate link so that you can be making money. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you the most effective ad format that you can use on this platform so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. You can see right here, you can get clicks at a rate of 0.001. so that is the amount that you are going to be paying per every click that you get. They get up to 1 billion daily impressions. So this is one of the best platforms that you can buy traffic at a very cheap cost. To advertise your links on this website, what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can run a campaign. So click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to select advertiser. Once that is done, enter your name, enter your last name, email address, enter your password, enter your Skype ID, or you can click on it and then select Telegram, WhatsApp, Viber, any social media network that you want. You have to put the ID right here. Once that is done, click on sign me up. Once you click on sign me up, you are going to get access to a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to start creating a new campaign. To create a new campaign, click on new campaign. Once you click on new campaign, the first step is that you have to enter the name of your campaign. You can enter any name that you want, but in this case I'm going to type keto. So type keto here. As you can see, keto. Once you give a name to your campaign, the next step is that you have to select the ad format. You can see they have push notification, in-page push, direct clicks. Any of them that you want, you can select. But in this case, we want people to click on our link directly and then purchase the product. So we have to select direct clicks. Click on it. Once you select that, the next step is that you have to select the traffic type. If you want dating traffic, you can select that. Mainstream traffic, you can select that. In this case, I want mainstream traffic, so select it. Once that is done, you can see target URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on Market Health, highlight and copy your affiliate link. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see clicks capping. If you want to limit the clicks that you get per day, you can switch it on. But in this case, I'm not going to limit it, so just leave it. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see campaign verticals. This is where you're going to select the appropriate category of the product. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see antivirus, adult content, e-commerce. You can see finance, forex, games, gambling, mainstream. So select mainstream. Once you select mainstream, the next step is the platform. Are you targeting mobile users or desktop users? Click on it and then select the device that you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting mobile users. Once that is done, you can see the operating system. we are targeting all operating systems, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see country. You have to select any country that you are targeting, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can select any country that you want. In this case, we are going to target all the tier 1 countries, so click on it. Once you click on it, search for United Kingdom. Click on it. It has been selected. Once that is done, you are going to search for Canada. As you can see, here is Canada. Select it. Once that is done, you are going to search for United States. You can see it right here. Select it. Once that is done, you are going to search for Australia. Search for Australia. You can see it right here. Once that is done, you can search for New Zealand. So search for New Zealand. You can see it right here. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. We have selected all the tier 1 countries. These are the countries that you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product. So if you select these countries, you are likely going to make a sale. Once you select the countries, you can see the CPC, cost per click. How much are you willing to pay per every click that you get? You have to enter the amount right here. You can see they have the recommended byte, the minimum byte, the average byte, and you can see this is the maximum. What we are going to do is that we are going to use the maximum so that we can get a lot of clicks. We want people to click on our affiliate link and then purchase the product. So you can select the maximum or the recommended byte. Any of them that you want, you can select it. If you want, you can select the average. If you select the minimum, we are not going to be getting a lot of impressions. What we need is that we want a lot of impressions so that we can get a lot of clicks leading to a lot of sales. So select maximum. As you can see, that has been selected. Once you select it, the next step is that you're going to scroll down. You can see advanced targeting, advertising budget. You can see schedule, group. Any of these settings that you want, you can click on it and then make your settings. For example, if you want to control your budget, you can click on it. Once you click on it, you can limit your budget. You can see the daily budget limit. You can limit it. But in this case, these are not important, so just leave it. Once that is done, you're going to click on create campaign so that you can create your campaign. Once you click on it, you can see refill your balance. What you have to do is that you have to deposit money into this website so that you can begin running ads. You can't run ads with zero balance. So what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts. To deposit money into your accounts, click on add funds. Once you click on add funds, you can see these are the payment methods that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. You can see this one, I can't pronounce it, Capitalist, Visa or MasterCard, wire transfer. Any of the payment method that is convenient to you, can select it and then deposit money into your accounts. You can see right here, this is the minimum deposit. You can't deposit below $100. You have to deposit an amount that is equivalent to $100 or more so that this website can accept your payment. Once they accept your payment, they are going to be driving traffic to your affiliate link and you are going to be making money. If you get one sale, you are going to be earning $75. If you make up to 5 sales per day, you are going to be getting high returns on your investment. That is it for today's video. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money using this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.